You know something that other people want to learn. I'm willing to bet you even thought about maybe making an ebook or a course, but you just didn't know where to start. That's exactly why I created this. Here's what I see all the time. I see people who genuinely are talented. I'm talking teachers, consultants, videographers, photographers, trainers, and even artists. People who spend months researching and watching videos trying to figure out how this whole digital product thing really works. And they still never launch anything. And it's not because their knowledge isn't valuable, it absolutely is, but because nobody ever gave them one clear blueprint to follow. What do I create? How do I price it? How do I build a funnel? And how do I build a sales page that actually converts? Without answers to those questions, most people stay stuck and their idea just sits there. So I built the digital product blueprint. It's a complete step-by-step system that takes you from I have an idea to a live digital product with a funnel that sells it automatically. And keep in mind, you don't need a big audience, you don't have to have a fancy tech background, and you don't have to have prior experience selling anything online. Here's what's inside. Part 1, how to find your profitable idea and how to validate it even before you build it. Part 2, choosing your format and building your digital product. Part 3, pricing your product using a formula and not a guess. Part 4, we build out the funnel, the checkout page, the order bumps, the entire thing. In part 5, we write out your sales page using a 12-section framework that turns cold traffic into buyers. Plus, you get a workbook with AI prompts built in so you can build this faster than you think. I've been in the teach what you know space for the last 7 years, and now is the best time to jump in. My growth partners make anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000 per month teaching what they know. And I even put some of the screenshots down here for social proof. But the reason why I created the digital product blueprint is because my services are limited, right? I only can work with so many people. And let's be honest, these folks that have access to me, they do pretty well. My goal with the digital product blueprint is to have what I know to be accessible to everybody so we all can win. I built this funnel myself. You literally just landed on it. The page you're watching this on, the checkout, the upsells, all of it. The exact system that you're going through right now is in my blueprint, and I'm going to give it to you. This isn't theory, it's the actual thing. And now I'm handing over the blueprint so you can build your own. The digital product blueprint is only $27. That's it. Instant access, no subscription fee. You make the investment today and you start learning. For $27, you get the complete 5-step masterclass, the companion workbook, the sales page template, the launch checklist, and AI prompts built in to help you build faster. You've been sitting on this idea. Now this is the time to build it. Believe it or not, your knowledge is actually worth something. And there are people out there right now who need exactly what you know. They just can't find it yet because you haven't packaged it. The blueprint is right below this video. Scroll down, go ahead and grab it for $27 so we can build this thing.